10 tips to make her addicted to you. Before starting the video, if you are new here, please subscribe. Want to make her really like you a lot? I've got some cool tips to share with you today. We all want to catch the attention of women, but let's not get caught up in the small details that can make us really appealing. In this video, I'll share 10 tips that can make anyone really interested in you. But keep in mind, just watching this video won't guarantee success. Why? Well, the tips I've talked about are helpful, but they won't do anything if you don't actually do something about it. So, make sure you motivate yourself to take action after watching this video. Step 1. Speak less, listen more. When you're spending time with her, let her do most of the talking and make it clear that you're genuinely interested in what she has to say. Get involved in the conversation by asking questions and showing that you're enjoying the discussion with positive facial expressions. This helps her feel engaged and not bored when she's around you. Most people appreciate someone who listens to their problems and enjoys their stories. Unfortunately, finding someone like that can be tough because everyone wants to share their own stories and problems. So, try to be her supportive friend first. Remember not to interrupt her when she's talking. Let her finish what she's saying. The more you listen, the better you'll understand her interests. Step 2. Give her some space. It might be tough to ignore someone you really care about. It's like having your favorite ice cream right in front of you but resisting the urge to eat it. However, surprisingly, giving her some space could actually make her more interested in you. While ignoring someone doesn't always work, there are times when it can make her really curious about you. If you feel like you can't ignore her, here's a tip. Ignoring becomes especially important when you're not getting much response from your crush. Showering too much attention on her might make you seem more like a fan than someone she could be romantically interested in. Try ignoring her for just 3 or 4 days and observe how she reacts. If she starts sending messages like, "Why aren't you talking to me?" or "Is everything okay?" it's a sign that she might already have feelings for you. If you're not connected on social media, pay attention to her facial expressions when you meet in person to figure out what's on her mind. See if she's making meaningful eye contact. I'm not talking about casual eye contact, but those deep, emotional stares. Her eyes can reveal a lot, so try to understand the messages her eyes are sending. If she avoids eye contact or continues to ignore you, then it's time to keep observing. Step 3. Make her feel jealous. If you want someone to notice you more, Psychology Today suggests trying something called jealousy induction. Instead of talking to her the usual way, start talking to other girls. Pay attention to how she reacts. If her tone of voice, expression, and the way she talks to you change, it's a sign she might be feeling jealous. But be careful, making her jealous can be risky and might hurt her feelings. So, if you decide to try it, make sure to do it in a way that's not too much. Step 4. Look into her eyes when you talk to her. Just like holding hands, looking into her eyes can make a special chemical called oxytocin. If you want to make a woman feel a strong connection with you, try to make good eye contact. It will help her feel more connected and closer to you. Try practicing looking into someone's eyes every day. It's easy to do and can make a big difference. Step 5. Dress cool and clean. Picking the right clothes is key, but you don't have to spend a lot. Just focus on your style. Choose clothes that fit you well. Check out online tips on choosing clothes that suit you. Keep your clothes clean and use a bit of cologne or perfume to smell nice. Girls tend to notice these things. Step 6. Make her laugh. Being able to make someone laugh is really appealing. Girls really like guys who can make them laugh because it makes them feel like they won't be bored. But making someone laugh isn't easy for everyone. It's not something everyone is born with. You have to learn it. You can use the Science of People guide to get better at being funny. If you know someone who's really funny, try hanging out with them and see how they make jokes. Learn from them and use their techniques to make your sense of humor better. Step 7. Get better at talking to women. Many guys struggle when talking to women. They often send dull messages like, "How are you? What are you eating tonight? Who's your favorite actor?" Or even direct messages like, "You look attractive, want to go on a date?" Unfortunately, these messages don't really work. Instead, try something more unique. You could say things like, "Even when my day is terrible, your smile makes everything okay," or "Can you please stop being so lovely? You're making me crazy." Another option is to express admiration like, "There isn't a word in the dictionary that can describe your kind of beauty." Also, it's a good idea not to respond too quickly. If you reply right away, she might think you don't have much going on in your life. It's important to keep your value by not always being too available. Step 8. Boost your confidence. Confidence is super important. It's like your secret weapon for facing the world. When you're confident, you stand out and become different from everyone else. People, especially ladies, really like it when someone walks and talks with confidence. Studies and relationship experts have shown this. So, pick up a book that shows you how to be more confident and start working on it today. It's key to making sure she finds you interesting. Step 9. Smile often. Did you know that smiling can make you look more appealing and younger? Studies show that when you smile, it can make your face look lifted and give you a more youthful appearance. Instead of trying expensive exercises to lift your face, just try smiling more each day. It's an easy way to make yourself look younger and feel fantastic. Step 10. Increase your income. Some say that women aren't interested in money, but that's not true. In reality, women often prefer men who have more money. So, don't believe the idea that women don't care about your financial situation. It matters to them. Put in effort at work, earn more money, and you'll likely see a positive change in how women respond to you when you have a healthier bank balance. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't be a stranger. Swing by whenever you've got a moment to spare. Your thoughts mean the world to us, so drop them in the comments below. And why not seal the deal by subscribing to our channel? We've got a lot more in store, and we'd love to have you along for the journey. Until next time, stay awesome and keep those notifications on. Catch you on the flip side.